So right now I want to show a little custom build I made. I actually did a stop motion video of this little build. So this is kind of a little diorama of the, if you ever remember I Love Lucy show, the chocolate factory scene. So I just put something together real quick just to kind of depict that scene. So these are just a basic little shell, just three little walls, and I put it on a gray base. So the bottom's just very simple, just some big flat tiles. This is just a 2x going across, and then these are the little chocolates going across right here, and then these are the Lucy and Ethel characters here with the little wrappers, and then the little boss chocolate lady. And I put this together. It took me about an hour to build. It was really quick, very simple. If you have some of the newer little chocolate pieces, which they do have, you can make it a little bit more realistic with the little chocolate pieces. Obviously they don't have some of the little signs that they had on the wall, so I just went ahead and just kind of made my own, pasted it up to the wall. I didn't have the full door, but I used this one. I just kind of put the little sign there, kitchen. So it's just a cool little build, very simple build, very quick. You can even modify this particular build to a bunch of different scenes. So you could actually just take all this out and then build any other kind of scene that you want. And this is just kind of the bottom, just so you can kind of get an idea how I put that together. And so yeah, this is just a little I Love Lucy Chocolate Factory custom build, and just something cool to display up on the shelf.